Excuse me, I gotta take some pictures. Happy birthday. How
This goes with that.
huh? How young are you?
98.
98. Wow, very good. Very good.
Yeah.
I haven't seen you so long.
I know how come. You don't come down to me.
I do? But you come late.
I come early all the time.
You're not around when I leave.
I'm powered. Yeah, I'm in the water already.
Oh, I'm gone by 7. Yeah. Tell me, what is your secret? Longevity.
Love the ocean.
The ocean.
But not at 90. The parabola.
If you want to learn more about what's happening in Hawaii, please click the subscribe and like button below. It's your passport to be more educated about this wonderful place called Hawaii. You can learn more about activities, sites, culture, and much, much more.
Take the nice, no, take the nice one. Take the nice one. Take that one. Because we have plenty, so take a nice one.
I don't know if it's going to come out nice.
Oh. That's right, take it inside, no rush. Oh.
When you put it, oh yeah.
Okay.
Take a big bite right
Even with the chopstick, it's good.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'm gonna have a one.
What that? GoPro.
And I have
Oh.
Get away. Take a big bite, Frank.
no thank you.
Hey, the real food is on this side.
The cake?
One
of each.
There you go.
Shouldn't, but I will.
Today's a special day.
I started off at 340 pounds.
Today.
And you're way under. Oh, today.
Right now, 260.
Good for you.
So you can treat yourself today.
Absolutely.
Is the only place for me. That's where you find me. Down by the seaside, watching the moonlight, the twinkling starlight, the morning sunrise, that golden sunset in Lahaina,